What if the secret to rebuilding your skin, restoring your hormones, and looking 10 years younger was sitting in your kitchen right now? And no, it's not a $300 supplement, and it's definitely not hiding in your wrinkle cream. It's fruit. But not just any fruit. These are nature's most powerful collagen-charging, hormone-balancing, inflammation-fighting foods. And nobody talks about the third one. If you're over 40, over 50, or just feeling the effects of time, thinning skin, joint stiffness, hormonal imbalance, then this video could change how you feel and look in just weeks. Let's get straight into it. Here are the 3 fruits that do what no lotion, pill, or serum can. Section 1. The Collagen Hormone Connection. Before we dive into the fruits, let's quickly explain why this matters. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, your bones strong, and your gut lining sealed. But here's the catch. After age 25, collagen production naturally starts to decline. And by 50, many people have lost over 30% of it. At the same time, hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone also start to fluctuate or drop. And guess what? Hormones and collagen are deeply connected. Low estrogen reduces collagen synthesis. High cortisol breaks down collagen. And insulin resistance, often triggered by poor diet, stops your body from using nutrients properly to rebuild tissues. So if you're just slapping on skincare but not feeding your skin and hormones from the inside, you're missing the whole picture. That's where these fruits come in. Because each one has a unique way of supporting both collagen renewal and hormonal balance. And fruit number 3? It's a natural miracle hiding in plain sight. Section 2, collagen fruit number 1. Papaya, the skin repair hero. First up, the golden fruit of skin healing, papaya. Papaya isn't just rich in vitamin C. It contains papain, a natural enzyme that gently digests damaged proteins and clears out cellular waste, making room for fresh, healthy tissue. It's like spring cleaning for your skin and joints. Papaya also supports collagen synthesis thanks to its high vitamin C content, helps reduce inflammation, which is one of the biggest hormone disruptors, contains beta-carotene and flavonoids that protect your skin from UV damage, aids in digestion, which improves nutrient absorption and hormone balance. And here's a tip. Eat papaya with a little lime juice and sea salt. The vitamin C from lime enhances collagen even more, and the salt supports adrenal health, essential for balanced cortisol. Want that dewy, plump post-facial glow? A few slices of papaya a day might do more than your entire bathroom shelf. Section 3. Collagen fruit number 2. Avocado, the hormone stabilizer. Next, let's talk about avocados. Technically a fruit and practically a superhero. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, which your body needs to make hormones. Estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, all of these are made from cholesterol and fat. So if you're skimping on good fats, your hormones will suffer. But here's why avocado is so powerful for collagen too. Rich in vitamin E, which protects collagen from oxidative stress, contains pantothenic acid, B5, which supports adrenal glands and hormonal resilience, high in glutathione, a master antioxidant that repairs skin damage. The healthy fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and K, which are crucial for skin elasticity and bone strength. Plus, avocados help balance blood sugar, which is critical because blood sugar spikes lead to a process called glycation, where sugar binds to collagen and destroys it. The takeaway? Avocado is your daily dose of beauty fat. Half an avocado a day can literally give your skin more bounce and calm down hormonal chaos. Section 4. Collagen fruit number 3, dates, the secret powerhouse. Now for the fruit nobody talks about, but that may be the most powerful of them all, dates. Yes, the sweet, sticky fruit people associate with sugar overload is actually one of the best natural hormone stabilizers and collagen supporters when eaten in moderation. Here's why. Dates contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body in a gentle, balancing way. They're high in copper and vitamin B6, which are needed to produce collagen and support neurotransmitters. Their natural sugars are paired with fiber, so they give you energy without the crash. They support adrenal and thyroid function, which are major regulators of hormone balance. And here's the real kicker. Studies have shown that dates support natural labor by helping the body regulate oxytocin, meaning they directly influence hormone receptors. That's powerful. Now imagine what they can do when your body is struggling with low estrogen, cortisol spikes, or menopause transitions. The secret: just 1 to 2 dates per day, especially in the afternoon or evening, can give your body a natural, nourishing boost, helping rebuild collagen and keep your hormones from swinging wildly. Section 5. How to use these fruits together. Here's how to combine these 3 collagen-charging, hormone-supporting fruits into your daily routine. Morning smoothie idea: 1½ papaya, 1/2 avocado, 2 dates, pitted, 1½ cup water or almond milk, a pinch of sea salt, squeeze of lime, blend until creamy. This smoothie fires up your digestion, supports hormone production, feeds your skin from the inside out, helps you start the day with calm energy and glowing skin. You can also eat them separately. Papaya with lime as a mid-morning snack, half an avocado with your lunch or dinner, a couple of dates before your evening walk or after a meal. Simple, affordable, and shockingly effective when done daily. Section 6. What to avoid while eating these fruits. Now, a quick warning. These fruits can only do their job if you're not sabotaging yourself elsewhere. Here's what to avoid if you want real collagen and hormone results. Ultra-processed seed oils. They destroy skin and hormone receptors. Too much sugar causes glycation, the #1 collagen killer. Skipping sleep. Collagen regenerates at night. Chronic stress raises cortisol, lowers estrogen and progesterone. Also, drinking alcohol regularly cancels out much of the nutrient absorption from these healing fruits. If you do drink, aim for moderation and pair it with hydration and collagen-rich meals. So there you have it. Papaya, avocado, dates, 3 fruits, 0 side effects, and the power to rebuild your skin, balance your hormones, and energize your body naturally. You don't need a complicated routine. You don't need expensive products. You just need consistency and the right ingredients, straight from nature. Which of these fruits are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more natural, science-backed tips for aging beautifully and staying strong after 40, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Your skin, your joints, and your hormones will thank you.